Alhamdulillah for the blessing of waking up to a new day, Ya Allah. I am grateful for the gift of life, for health, and for the chance to seek your mercy again. Ya Allah, some woke up to pain, others to loss, while some didn't wake at all. Yet, here I am, alive and well. Why won't I be grateful for this blessing? Truly, all praise belongs to you. Alhamdulillah. Ya Rahman, bless this morning with your infinite mercy. Ya Razzaq, grant me halal provisions and barakah in all I do. Ya Shafi, heal my body, heart, and soul from every ailment, visible and unseen. Ya Allah, guide my steps today and protect me from harm, envy, and evil whispers. Make my actions pleasing to you.